Dear CEO, we are the Sunday Lunatic Consultancy Limited, and we like to introduce Harmony, an online platform to help enhance DoReMi's order and inventory management process, in order to help you maintain a competitive edge amidst the emerging threat of e-commerce. In our engagement with your stakeholders, we have identified several challenges and we have prioritized 4 key issues to tackle. They are namely the use of manual forms, inconsistent processes, delayed and incorrect orders, and lastly, late payments. You have given us 2 specific objectives to streamline the order handling and enhance inventory management of your company. Our new platform, Harmony, can help achieve these objectives and address the challenges we mentioned earlier. Also, you can expect significant cost savings, value creation and addition from the process automation, upscaling of the workforce, and enhanced productivity. To minimize the business impact in lieu of the diverse nature and complexity of the implementation, a phased approach will be taken. Harmony is able to replicate the user roles of the activity workflow of DoReMi and assign role-specific tasks to each of them. In the initial phase, we have identified 3 key users, namely the sales, accounts, and warehousing department. With the inputs from the stakeholders' engagement and extensive literature review, Harmony will leverage on 4 knowledge models, and these knowledge models are based mainly on deductive reasoning and fuzzy logic. As you can see below each knowledge model, there are the observables and inferable required for the rule base. On the left, the orderly handling process, that's the sales and accounts users that will provide the inputs and review, while most of the process are automated by the knowledge model. On the right, there's the warehouse user who will review the recommendation provided by the inventory restock knowledge model. Now, let's touch on the system architecture of Harmony. We have designed it based on 3 main principles. First, it has to be intelligent and robust, being able to perform machine reasoning and provide consistent and accurate outputs. Next, it has to be scalable, being able to be deployed on Docker and cloud platforms to allow rapid expansion of the operations. And last but not least, it has to be modular, having the flexibility of integrating with other systems to allow more functionalities for Harmony.
Now, I shall explain the case demo. First, let's log in the sales row. We'll create the order, and over here we'll input the order details. And once the order details are input, you can see that the value is automatically calculated. Now, after we log in the accounts row, we have to perform the customer evaluation task. And over here, we will have to key in the various facts of the customer, and such facts will be used in the decision table to evaluate the customer's eligibility for order discount as well as their credit risk. Once done, we will next log into the sales row, and over here we can see that it's now pending approval, and as well an order discount of 3% has been applied. Now we will go back into the accounts row in order to perform the final approval review. Once done, we will go back to the sales account, and now as you can see, the order status is stated as approved. There's also a notification on the top right to show that the order is given a discount. Now we shall showcase the inventory restock process. We have to log in the sales row, and as we notice, there's no task in the task list, but we shall proceed to amend the inventory details. With the change in these details, this will automatically trigger a task to the warehousing team as certain conditions are met. Now as we enter the warehousing account, we can see that the warehousing team receives a task to perform inventory restock. And after completing the task, we now see that the inventory is replenished. We have come to the end of the demo. Thank you very much.